Hello everyone, welcome. In this video we would learn how to solve the practice question, print all the elements of a given array. So first we would understand the question, and once we have understood it we would move forward to the code part. So guys, in this question we are given an array. For example, the array has elements like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now in total this array has 5 elements. What we need to do is we need to print all the elements. Okay, that means I need to print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need to print all the elements. So for doing this, I would use the for loop. Okay, using the for loop, I would start from the first element and go till the last element. Okay, so using the for loop, I would print all the elements of a given array. Now this is the logic that we would apply. Now let's move forward to the code part. So let's move forward. Now this is the question in which you can see it is mentioned that you are given an array of size n and you need to print all its elements. So what would I do? First I would go over here below code here, and now I would start a for loop. So for I is being used to refer all the elements in array, okay, because I am telling you this is referring to the elements in the array. Now enter. After this I want to print all the elements given in an array, right? So I would write print. What do I need to print? I need to print the elements that is being referred in form of I. So I, comma. Now I would add space after printing each element. So after the end of one element you need to add some space. Okay. Now after doing this I would go and click on compile and run to check if it is working or not. So let me do compile and run. Let's wait. It is taking some time, we should wait. Okay, now see the compilation is complete, our output is being perfect. So now let's move forward and let's submit the code. Okay, so now I would submit it and let's see if it has passed all the test cases or not. So it is processing all of them. See, it is successfully passed all the test cases, and this is how you solve this problem. And I hope you have found this video helpful. Thank you.